I went to Best Buy yesterday and I walked in. I went to, look at the FX30. Man, I tried to lift that thing up. It was so heavy. Yes, indeed. It was just difficult for me to grab and hold. To even turn on, I had trouble. I don't know. Maybe it was me. So I walked around. I saw the Sony ZV E10. Same thing. I opened up the screen. I couldn't get it up. Couldn't turn it on. I must be so weak. Oh, yeah. And even I looked at the Sony ZV-1. Again, I had problems. I just couldn't get the thing to turn on or lift up. But I went and I saw the Sony ZV-1F. Man, I was able to lift that thing up. No problems at all. I was able to turn it on. But my only dilemma was taking my SD card from my pocket, putting it into the camera, and trying to get a sample footage for me. So I sat there, I played around, I held it where I would be like sitting on my desk, and you know what? I said, this will work.